In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an invoice on PayPal. Whether you're a small business owner, a freelancer, or someone who needs to manage payments efficiently, creating invoices is an essential task that you can easily accomplish using PayPal. Let me walk you through the process. First, open up your browser and head over to the PayPal website. Once you're there, you'll want to look for the login option, which is usually found right at the top of the home page. Click on it and you'll be prompted to enter your email address and password to access your PayPal account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one, but for those who already have PayPal, simply enter your details and hit log in. Once you've logged in, the next thing you want to do is navigate to the Business Tools section. This is where all of PayPal's business features, including invoicing, are located. Look for an option that says something like Business Tools or a similar label, and click on it. After you're in the Business Tools area, you will see an option to Show All Tools. Click here to expand the Tools menu. Now, we're looking for the Invoicing section, which falls under the Request Payment options. Click on Invoicing to get started. If this is your first time using PayPal's invoicing feature, you might see a button labeled Get Started. Click on that to proceed to the invoicing dashboard. From the invoicing dashboard, you can click on Create New Invoice. This will lead you to a form where you can enter all the necessary details for your invoice. Start by adding your customer's email address. This is important because it's how your customer will receive the invoice. Also, don't forget to fill out any other relevant details about your customer, such as their name and billing information. Next, move on to the contents of your invoice. Here, you'll fill in item descriptions, quantities, and prices for the goods or services you're billing for. Pay attention to these details as they are crucial for both you and your customer to keep track of what's being billed. To give your invoice a more personalized or professional touch, PayPal allows you to upload a logo, select from templates, and even add a delivery message if needed. Take advantage of these options to enhance the appearance of your invoice. Before you send off your invoice, take a moment to preview it. This final step is always good practice to ensure that all details are correct. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, click on Send to deliver the invoice to your customer. For added convenience, after creating the invoice, you also have the option to share a direct link with your customer. This can be particularly helpful if you're sending the invoice through a different channel. That's it. You've successfully created and sent an invoice using PayPal. This feature can help streamline your billing process significantly and allows you to manage your receivables with ease. Happy invoicing!